Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I want to talk about several topics that are right now very, very important. First of all, we want to talk about the Bitcoin miners. The Bitcoin miners are right now working under extreme conditions. Extreme conditions, I will bring it closer to you with the on-chain data, and related to this on-chain data, we need to talk about this one chart, guys, where we see the Bitcoin mining hash rate. And then, guys, we will add this chart, which is the whale map, where we can see where Bitcoin whales accumulated Bitcoin massively. And this means if they've massively accumulated at this zone, this is a resistance zone for the Bitcoin price. We will talk about it closer. So right now, which is also very important, are these two charts, guys, where we see massive resistance and support zones and also the price targets. This chart, guys, I've posted it on my X account. I would truly appreciate it if you can go right now to my X account and vote for this chart. Will Bitcoin make it, flip this resistance into support and go upwards, or will we get rejected, price turns downwards and gets braked? This means, guys, repost it. So leave a like or a repost and make sure that you vote for this chart, guys. If you also want to leave a feedback, I would truly appreciate it, guys. So don't forget to leave a comment or a feedback down below in the comment section. So let's start with this on-chain data, where we have the percent of miner revenues sent to exchanges. Right now, as you can see, guys, we reached an all-time high in miner revenue sent to exchanges at 315%. This is 3 times more than the spike up here, guys, where we see the capitulation inflow. And also in the past, we have some inflow spikes across the 2021 primary bull market. But all of them were very, very low spikes compared to this one. This one is massive, guys. And this is why I said to you guys at the beginning of the video, why we are right now in extreme conditions for the Bitcoin miners. We have extreme competition. We are at the maximum of competition. We have a lot of Bitcoin miners that are trying to take their share of the Bitcoin mining rewards. This makes it extreme difficult, and also the difficulty, as I said, the difficulty of mining Bitcoins is growing and growing. It's getting more and more difficult to mine Bitcoins. And at the same time, the hash rate is growing and reached right now an all-time high. Reaching an all-time high with the hash rate means it's getting more and more expensive to mine Bitcoins. And if we turn the tables, guys, this means why Bitcoin miners should still keep on providing mining services if it's getting extremely stressful for them and very unprofitable. That makes it so unattractive for them to keep providing mining services, and they need to survive the bear market till the next bull market. So therefore, they are right now sending a lot or huge amount of mining revenues to exchanges with 315%. Let me also explain what this means. In general, if someone sends from the cold storage to the exchange, this means he is interested in taking profits or cashing out. In general, guys, it's not always the case, but if someone withdraws from the exchange to his cold storage, this means in general he is not interested in selling his asset. He is more likely a holder and he looks for long-term opportunities. Therefore, guys, sending revenues or miner revenues to exchanges could be a danger and maybe could lead to price sell-off or price drawdown for Bitcoin, guys. This is why I'm a bit scared right now. And let's have a look at the mining hash rate. We talked about it, we reached an all-time high, and whenever the hash rate reaches a high and it's at the point where the Bitcoin miners capitulate, we see this drawdown of the mining hash rate, and also the price is seeing a downturn, and after it we recover with the price and the mining hash rate as well. This one capitulation phase is the one we talked about. It's the capitulation inflow, and you can see at this point the price saw a drawdown from here on, and then we recovered, and then price goes, keeps moving upwards. And here, guys, right now we had 3 smaller capitulation phases. I'm scared that we will see a bigger one coming in the upcoming days, or maybe in the upcoming months, with this current situation. This is why I'm a bit scared right now. But let's have a look at the whale map, where we see a massive resistance point at this bubble. The bigger the bubble is, the more Bitcoins were accumulated at this zone, guys. This is what the bubble is saying here. We had at 26,800 price range, we had massive accumulation around 130,310 Bitcoins were bought in here, or Bitcoins were accumulated here. And the next resistance zone is around 28,000 with 180,841 Bitcoins which were accumulated at this zone. This means Bitcoin whales are trying to keep the price lower than these zones, because they can buy in cheaper and accumulate more and more below the price they bought in earlier, guys. Therefore, Bitcoin whales will always try to push the price downwards so they can buy more and more Bitcoins. This is what you also should do, guys. Try to accumulate Bitcoins right now on the cheap before you cannot afford it or it gets too expensive. But let's talk about this one chart, guys, which is very, very important, and we talked about it, guys. I've posted it on my X account. So 26,800, we talked about it, guys. It's this bubble, and 26,800 is the zone where we got right now rejected. Therefore, I hope that Bitcoin will make it and flip it into support zone, this resistance zone. And as we saw our falling wedge, or our previous falling wedge, we saw a breakout with 13% approximately. And if price of Bitcoin goes 30% upwards, this could mean we are back at 30K price area. 30K is a psychological zone for Bitcoiners or the Bitcoin bulls. But if we make it, we can be ready for 32K, 35K, and also aim for 40K price area for Bitcoin, guys. I'm open for this, and I hope that Bitcoin bulls will make it. And this could be very, very massive for Bitcoin. Where are our current support zones? We have a massive support around 26,000. This is the volume profile of the visible range, guys. You can see we have massive support around 26,000 because the price has traded often around this area, and therefore we collected a lot of information at this current stage. 26,000 is very, very important that we will flip it into support and hold it, and the price flips the upcoming resistance with 26,800 into support, guys. This would be massive. If we also add one more indicator and keep this one away, you can see we have also massive support around 25,780, and also our next resistance point is 26,600, and also 26,800 was the one bubble up here, guys. So therefore we have 2 resistance points that we need to flip from resistance into support. This is what I wanted to talk about today, guys. Let's add one more resistance point, which is the R1 line, which is 27,139, and also 28,000. We talked about 28,000. 28,000 is this one bubble, guys. If we flip them into support, guys, I'm very, very bullish on the upcoming price movements of Bitcoin, guys. And this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it from the beginning till the end. And don't forget to leave the thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would truly appreciate it. And yes, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.